It starts with a crack, a frozen lake. A curious baby steps too far. Suddenly, the ice breaks. The world goes silent. Cold water, tiny hands struggling. Then, a golden flash. The retriever races across the ice, dives without hesitation. He grabs the baby's snowsuit, pulling up, pushing hard. They burst through the surface, gasping, shaking, shivering, safe. Because sometimes, a hero doesn't fly. Sometimes, a hero swims.
A gentle, emotional, acoustic instrumental with soft piano melodies, warm strings and slow, getting calm and with feelings of peace, hoping quiet, reflecting for a touching moment with the rescue dog.